Hi, Richie here with Dent Group with a special announcement. I'd like to introduce a new product that we had purchased. We originally purchased this product for our shop and for our personal vehicles, but with such a high demand of this product, and it's definitely limited quantity, we want to offer it to the public before it's gone. So basically what this is, it's a disinfectant, and it kills SARS-CoV-2, which is the leading cause of COVID-19. It also kills H1N1, influenza, and multiple other bacteria infections. So what I would like to do is just demonstrate real quick on how this product actually works. Okay, so basically all we do is we spray a mist over the whole dash, interior console, door panels, just like this. Okay, that's the basics. We let it sit for minimum 30-45 minutes. I like to take it to the next step. I let it sit for at least an hour just to make sure that it's killed all the bacteria infection that's in the vehicle. We take a clean cloth, we wipe it down after. Once we disinfect the vehicle, we pull the vehicle around front for the customers. We have steering wheel covers, gear shift covers, seat covers, floor mats, obviously gloves, face mask, and goggles. So once we get out of the vehicle, we remove all of the seat covers, steering wheel covers, so when the customer gets in the vehicle, it is 100% disinfected from the bacterial diseases that are in the vehicle. So once again, very limited supply, very high demand. We're taking appointments at this point, so give us a call. We'll give you a free price quote on this product and hope to schedule you in. And you do not need to have a dent on your vehicle to purchase this product and have your vehicle disinfected. You can reach us at dentgroupofva.com or 703-969-6196. Thank you and have a great day.